Okay. Lots of matrices here. Insert text object question 1, and how do I type a matrix in? Alter matrix. And there's also a button for it too. If you want to use the button, it's this one here. Do you see it? Yeah. So you can click this and you get a matrix. So what numbers do I need here for my first one?
1 and 2.
2 and 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. Now I can put in my numbers. 1.
9, 4, 3.
That's it. Now it says to invert. What does invert mean?
-1.
Wait, hang on. About what? Oh, I just hit enter. I think actually both should be fine. Here, okay. No, let's just... Oh no, I haven't got time really. Both should be fine. Yes? Do you need to go? Okay, this way. Okay. No, you'll be okay, don't worry. There's actually no cable here, so it's okay. Right, how do I get the inverse here? Well, what do I type in here? Line number 1, power -1. And now what? Equal. Okay. Insert text object question 2 and another matrix. Again, 2 by 2. -1. Now guys, what's a quick way to jump from each box when you're typing? Tab, yeah. -1, tab 9, tab 2, tab 3, enter. And this is square, so that's line 4, power 2, and equals. Question 3 now. Now question 3. We have to type each one in one by one. So the first one, how many rows and how many columns? 1 row, 2 columns, and it's 1, 2. Next one is 2 by 2, and it's 3, 9, 4, 3. And then the next one, what is it? 2 rows, 1 column, 1, whoops, 1, what have I done? 3. Now, it's going to be line 7, line 8, line 9.
You have to put star?
No, it's not necessary here. But if you want, you can put it in. So like it'd be like this. If you want. But it's, you see, it gives you the same thing. Okay. Now, what do I press now? I'll try pressing equals here. And remember, sometimes it doesn't work. That's when you need brackets. But it's worked for me. If it doesn't work, what ones do you put the brackets around? Which one? The 7 and 8 or 8 and 9? 8 and 9. Very good. Okay. Insert text object question 4. So another matrix now. 1, 2, 2. 1, 9, x and 3. And I want the determinant of this. So determinant of line...
1943, not this.
Uh-oh, okay. Oh, sorry, I see what you mean. 1943, thank you. 1943. And I want the determinant here, so determinant line 12, DET. And then equals. Okay, insert text object question 5 now. Matrix again, and it's going to be 1, 9, x3, and it's going to be determinant of line 15. And I want it to be not equal 0, so there's not equal down here. Do you see it? There it is there, not equal 0. And if I try to press equals, I get the answer as well. But I think also if you did solve expression, it should work. Solve expression, solve. But it's not. Do we still have it set in either mode? Let's have a look. Solve expression, algebra, solve. Yeah, it works. Or like I said, the other way to do it is just to press equals here. Uh-oh. It's stuck now. What have I done?
Equal up.
There. Okay. Right. What one am I on now? Insert text object. Question 6. Now this is where I need to make my own function. So fx, what's next?
1 plus next. 1.
What do I type next?
Double.
Yeah, look carefully.
Dot.
I need this symbol. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Which symbol?
The double dot, the colon, like in a web address.
Oh, okay.
HTTP colon, you know?
Yeah.
Equals 1 plus x squared. So derive has just made this function for me. And now I have to calculate f of x over 1 plus f of x. Yeah, no, I'm typing in this here, and then what I'm going to do is replace x with 2. Or, okay, if you want, I'll just type it in directly.
No,
2.
because,
Oh, because they're different. They're different, yeah, okay. Like this, yeah? F of 1 over 1 plus f of 2.
Yeah.
Now what do I need? Let's try just press equals to see. Yeah, it's fine. 3 over 8. Okay. Question 7. I need to calculate the sum of n squared for n is from where to where? 0 to 9. So you see there's the sum symbol here.
Yeah.
So I start at 0 and I finish at 9 and simplify.
Which button? Only the button.
This button for sum.
Okay.
This is it. Leslie, there's no cable here. You can walk perfectly fine. There's no cable here. It's fine. Right, are you okay with that one? Do it one more time?
Yes.
Okay. So that's what you want, the sum of. So highlight and pick sum, and it's from 0 to 9, and simplify. Yes? Okay. Question 8. 3n plus 1 over 2n minus 1. And I want the limit when n goes to infinity. So you can pick calculus limit, or, do you see a button for limit anywhere? Yeah, here it is here. So I make n go to infinity. So infinity is, there it is, you see it there? And simplify. Okay. Now, question 9. So I need to make f of x equal to sine x. And then I need to calculate the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x. And then all over h. What's the name of this rule we did in calculus? First principles. So again, limit, and this time it's h, and that's going to 0. Now, what should the answer be here? Come on, what should the answer be? Think to your calculus. Come on, what does this rule give me?
F prime of x.
Yeah, and what's fx? Sine x. So what's f prime?
Cosine x.
Oh, like magic. Last question now. Insert text object question 10. Calculate the derivative of sine x. So how do I do that? There's calculus, and then there's derivative here, and what's the variable? X. And this is how many derivatives? So how many? 1. And simplify. Now, just to show you, if I want 2 derivatives, calculus, differentiate, and 2 here. And now, yeah, minus sign. And there's another way to do it as well. You see here this symbol? This, you see it says find derivative. So I could click this, and x, and one derivative, and go. And that's it. Any questions?